Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Finding the mode in Java is easy if you track frequencies correctly. Let's break down these nested loops to find the missing conditions right now. To find the mode, the inner loop must count how many times the current element appears. We compare Rj to Rk, so missing condition 1 must be equality. After the inner loop finishes counting, we need to check if this new count is the highest seen so far. We only update our mode if val count is greater than mode count. Therefore, missing condition 2 should be val count greater than mode count. Combining these logic steps leads us directly to option A as the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given info, and check steps carefully.